In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Tillson T3 Moving Average in TradingView Pro. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open for the market or asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, forex pair, or any other symbol you like to trade. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, we can start adding the indicator. First, look toward the top of your TradingView interface and find the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top of the chart, close to where you can change timeframes and chart types like candles or lines. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for and apply almost any tool that TradingView offers. When the panel pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so that your cursor is active there. This search bar is what allows you to quickly find specific indicators instead of scrolling through the whole list. Now type in Tillson T3 Moving Average. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator shows up. You should see Tillson T3 Moving Average appear in the list below the search field, either under built-ins or under community scripts, depending on the exact version you're using. Once you see it in the list, simply click on the Tillson T3 Moving Average entry. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You'll notice a new line appear, usually overlaying your price candles. This is your Tillson T3 Moving Average. From here, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator name in the top left of your chart and click on the settings icon. In the settings window, you can adjust inputs like length or smoothing, and you can also change the color and line thickness so it stands out clearly against your background. Take a moment to set it up in a way that's easy for you to read at a glance. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, to get more features, such as more indicators on a single chart and additional alerts, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description of this video. It helps support the channel while giving you access to enhanced charting tools. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Tillson T3 Moving Average to your TradingView Pro chart and can now start incorporating it into your trading analysis.